Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fact Hotline. Today we'll be discussing narcissistic personality disorder. A long time ago, there was a tale about someone who was a little overly obsessed with himself. He existed among the ancient Greeks and Romans, and his name was Narcissus. Narcissus was a dashing young man yearning for love. Following his rejection of a nymph named Echo, he caught a glimpse of himself in a nearby river and fell in love with it. Narcissus then drowned because he couldn't look away from his reflection. Narcissus is the name of the flower that marked the site where he died. This myth sums up the true reality of narcissism, which is self-involvement that is excessive, can be harmful. When it comes to narcissism, there is a spectrum. On one side, there is a person who is self-assured and confident, which results in a pleasant and healthy personality. On the other side, there is narcissistic personality disorder, where the person has a self-centered, non-empathetic, and emotionally exhausting personality. Then, there is narcissism and vanity in the center, which isn't healthy but isn't as harmful as NPD. NPD is a personality disorder characterized by grandiosity. You may notice it in people with a large ego and little regard for others, but it's critical to recognize that NPD is a personality disorder that is considerably more complicated than merely being a know-it-all, cocky, and bossy person. It's actually very distressing for those who have it and those who care about them. So what is NPD? Although a lot of movies and shows portray narcissism as people who believe they are better than everyone else, this is rarely the case. NPD is a personality disorder in which a person constantly seeks validation from others. Their sense of self-importance is actually a symptom of a deeper issue. Rather than real self-love, their demand for validation stems from their buried insecurities, fears, and vulnerabilities. They may not realize they are acting in this manner since it is deeply ingrained in them. What are the causes of NPD? Although the exact origin is unknown, researchers believe it is due to a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Only about 6% of people are diagnosed with NPD, and men are more likely than women to have this illness. Researchers believe that individuals develop NPD to help themselves cope with trauma and feelings of inadequacy. Some, on the other hand, feel it was learned in early childhood as a result of everything ranging from abuse to excessive spoiling. What are the signs and symptoms? People with NPD have grandiose feelings in which they believe they are better than others and have little sympathy. They are usually unconcerned with others unless it benefits them in some way, such as gaining constant validation. People with NPD also believe they have the right to do as they please, which can be dangerous because it can lead to toxic relationships with partners, friends, and family members. They also may use others to acquire what they want, gloat, exaggerate their triumphs, or feel jealous of individuals who achieve more than they do. But people with NPD are usually dealing with their own feelings of inadequacy. When should someone seek help? People with NPD may not seek treatment since they are unaware that there's a problem. People are usually diagnosed with NPD after seeking therapy for other conditions such as addiction or depression. Those who believe they may have NPD are encouraged to get help. It is possible to cure underlying feelings of inadequacy and NPD. It benefits not only the individual but also those around them. What are the available therapy options? People with NPD will work with therapists to use psychotherapy techniques as well as other beneficial activities such as exercise or hobbies. It's critical to understand that there are treatments available that can make life much easier. So, did you learn something new or something you didn't know about NPD? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.